So I just came across this AI notebook called deta, and it's designed to streamline research and thinking. Can you believe that?
Wait, really? What makes it different from other note-taking apps? Most just focus on one type of media.
Exactly, deta allows you to juggle different media types, like notes, websites, PDFs all in one place. That's pretty revolutionary, right?
It is, but how does it actually work? I mean, isn't switching between apps part of the research process?
Good point. Surf integrates everything so you can think across your digital landscape without a ton of window hopping. It's like multitasking for your brain.
That's fascinating, but how does it manage to keep everything organized? Does it get cluttered?
Nope, it uses a local storage system called SFFS, which keeps your files organized in a private library. It's open and transparent too.
Okay, so it's not just a hodgepodge of files, but what if I want to access it offline? Is that possible?
Yes, you can actually access much of your library offline. It's super convenient for when you're on the go.
That's handy, but what about those AI features? Are they just gimmicks or do they really enhance the experience?
They're pretty solid. You can generate smart notes, do web searches, and even create applets without coding. It really amplifies your workflow.
Wow, that sounds like a game changer, but how does it handle the complexity of web searches? Isn't that a bit risky?
That's fair. The AI can pull in results, but the accuracy depends on the sources it references. There's definitely a need for critical evaluation.
Right, so it's not flawless. Are there features that can help mitigate those risks?
Definitely, it includes integrated citations linked to original sources, like timestamps in videos or pages in PDFs. It helps keep things grounded.
That's smart, but I wonder if people will rely on it too much, almost like a crutch for critical thinking.
True, that's a concern. The tool should enhance thinking, not replace it. Balance is key, right?
Absolutely. Speaking of balance, what's the licensing situation? Is this open source?
Yes, detasurf is open source, which means it's really accessible for developers and users alike. That's a big plus.
Open source is important, but does that mean anyone can contribute to it?
Exactly, users can contribute to development, which not only helps the software grow but fosters a community.
That's a fantastic approach. But what if someone wants to use it for commercial purposes?
Good question. There's a modified version that integrates with Detaz servers, so that has different terms.
Interesting. So users have choices based on their needs. But what if they run into security issues?
They're prepared for that. They have a clear process for reporting security concerns, which is crucial.
That's reassuring. But let's talk about the actual user experience. Is it intuitive for non-techies?
It seems like it prioritizes user experience, with a clean interface that's easy to navigate even for beginners.
That's great to hear. But I wonder how it balances all those features without overwhelming users.
Yeah, that could be tricky, but the split view and tab features help streamline the process.
So you can view multiple resources side by side. That's smart. But does it slow down performance?
Not from what I've seen, it's built on solid frameworks like Svelte and Rust, which are known for performance.
Nice, so it combines functionality with speed. I'm curious about the community feedback. What are people saying?
So far, it seems positive. Users appreciate its versatility and how it helps them think better across media.
That's always a good sign. But what about potential drawbacks? No tool is perfect.
True, some users might find the learning curve a bit steep at first, especially with all the features.
Makes sense. So it might take some time to really master it. What do you think the future holds for tools like this?
I think we'll see more integration of AI in everyday tools. It's all about enhancing our cognitive abilities.
Definitely, but let's hope it doesn't lead to over-reliance. Balance will always be key.
For sure, so it seems Data Surf could be a valuable asset if used wisely. It's exciting to think about.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to seeing how it evolves in the future. It's a fascinating space.